know, I gotta push it in. The next fucking day, I'm turning off on.
What's up, everybody? StevoFS here. How's everybody doing today? I am doing fantastic. Thank you very much for asking. I really appreciate it, guys. It's nice to know you guys really care. Today is pretty much like the first day I've had my bike back the whole day. I'm going to go to a road that's supposed to be kind of twisty, but we'll see. But I don't know. Don't take my word on it. We're about to find out, though. We're on our way there now, leaving to head there. So if all goes right, hopefully I'll have some footage of it, and I'll show you all what it's like. I don't know how to say it. I think it's like Ozello Trail. Oh shit, where are we going, dude? Yeah, so I'll put it in the description and probably put the name of it up on the screen somewhere around here. So hopefully this road's pretty cool. If it is cool, we'll be coming back more often. Alright, filled up, got some gas. Now we are back on the road to the trail. That's a cool sailboat. I think we're in Crystal River. But yeah, we gotta be. It's a plane! A double lane! That looks like a cool glider type plane there. That'd be pretty cool. Ooh, I think we're here. I think we're here. We're here. Road subject to flooding. That's a good sign.
Spread your wings to the night. Observe as flames fill the sky. It's just your frame of mind. Strike the match, ignite your life. Spread your wings in the night. Anticipate the lonely roads. Expand your frame of mind. Don't ever lose your soul. Tie the harmony, dissonance within your voice. When you smile, you burn down absent walls in your mind. Happiness is all I really need. Don't fear the darkness, it's your light that shines so brightly.
Can't hold you back from destiny. It's your time now. Set yourself free. Can't hold you back from destiny. It's your time now.
Take us up above the clouds. Shelter me under your wing. And it's more simple than you thought.
It's definitely pretty out here, I'll tell you that much.
And reflects your company. The storm's approaching and I see the dark within your eyes. Then you shine a smile and whisper, it's alright. Happiness is all I really need to keep my soul full and wear my heart up on my sleeve. Can't escape it, I can't.
Let's go and see where we're at.
Alright.
Father,
I think it's only like 11 miles, I thought.
well, we're only like at mile 5.
Yeah. Because I think at the end there's supposed to be a diner.
Really pretty. I bet you got some good footage.
Yeah, it is pretty out here.
Yeah, it looks pretty awesome too.
That is a fun road. to die on. It's like if you wreck it straight in the water, there's no
Yeah,
saving the bike after that.
Pretty much.
You kept going.
I didn't know.
I don't know where we are either.
You fucking lead? You want to get on and drive in on lead? You don't want to fucking lead?
I don't know where I'm going either.
Me neither. I have no
I've been
idea.
out here before.
I just know where it ends there's supposed to be a diner and shit.
There's food.
And we're off again. That's beautiful. Beautiful. I think that's it. Yeah.
Everything's breaking.
You knew how much probably more than I knew. Mine's been red. Mine's been straight across the ground. Dude, my shield went. Because when I watched Red Dude, I landed on my shoulder.
Yeah.
And for like a second there, I stayed on my shoulder. Then I flipped around. And I flipped around, dude.
Oh yeah.
Dude, it ripped off. And it ripped off, sand and dirt circle. I just closed my eyes.
Yep.
You know, I saw ground sky, ground sky, ground sky. Like I said, dude, I rolled like up into a stand. And was like, and I pulled my helmet and I was like, I couldn't breathe. My ribs are still fucked up.
Yeah. That was a nice little lunch here at this place at the end of the trail. I have no clue what it's called. Pex? I think it's Pex. I think that's what it's called. So, definitely come out and check it out. You know, if y'all want to go for a little nice little curvy road with nice views. Yeah, me too. Well, guys, that was the little trail to whatever name I put that road was. It was pretty cool, you know. They had a little diner at the end you can go eat at. It was nice, you know. You just wanted something small, simple to ride on, I would go check it out. If you need to know where it is, message me and I'll let you know. If not, good luck. Sailboat.
I thought this was a road. I got piss really bad. I know. I got piss again. The next fucking road I'm putting off on.
Oh, we gotta stop so you can fucking find somewhere to take a piss. Just don't piss towards the camera.
Yeah.
Too many views.
You peed at the restaurant like 3
Yeah, yeah.
Stop at the gas station. Get it checked out, babe. It's all that fucking soda you drink.
Alright. Oh, and I stalled. Alright, pit stop's over. Get back on the fucking road, get home.